Hello, this is Julio Castro, and in this video I will showcase another course I developed for distance and continuing education at the University of Florida for the College of Medicine called Medical Anatomy. And um, it follows a similar design as one I already presented in another video. And in this case, the big difference is the way the modules are presented, because we try to follow the same pattern as the one on the previous course, and this course had another activity called mind maps or concept maps. The student will have to work on a concept map presented before the online session, and in the online session, the instructor would use Adobe Connect to present his view of the concept map from that particular module. And each module has its own lecture and then a study guide. And after each lecture, the student is supposed to take a quiz. There are activities in the ebook, the chapters that they have to read, and then the activities in the Wiley site where they have the opportunity to take some quizzes and self-learning activities. And each module has a number of units as well. In this case, the first one has 5 units, and at the end of that unit there is a module exam that is also has an opening day and time and a closing day and time. And as in the previous example, we use this legend to indicate what the little icons mean in the presentation here. And as in the previous example, we used a series of instructions before presenting the module module structure, because the students have to do, or they have to be reminded of many things, and each module has the same reminders. Anyways, we also had a very short video on how to navigate the course, which follows the same lines of the previous video that I made about histology. And there is an introductory video that the instructor made, and it's something that's different from the other course, but it follows the same structure. The concept map key is added in the introduction section. The student can download it and follow the format to construct their concept maps. They can go to the Wiley portal from here, and they also have to take a high-stakes exam using the proctoring service, and we provide instructions on how to contract the proctoring service, and also frequently asked questions from the provider. And there's the grading scale, how much each module is, and how much you get on the grading scale. And there's the course goals, learning outcomes, and assignments, and prerequisites, if any. And in this case, there is a nice introduction of Dr. Rari here, and as always, we introduce the academic policies. And like in the previous example, we use the same header to be consistent with this series of courses that are going to be part of certification process, and to comply with ADA regulations. We added the audio and script from this module for each page of the course. And as you can see, this is a very compact course. It fits in a very small screen, as you can see, and that was the idea, and that's why everything had to be compacted in a very small space, and that's why we chose to use this particular structure to build this course. And this is anatomy. There's another course like this, but this is the other one is called laboratory medical anatomy, and it's a more lab type of thing. The lectures are and not and not only for lecture classes, but they are demonstrations of activities that the instructor designed for this course. I won't be making a video of that one because it's mostly very similar to this one, so I just want to showcase this other one that has this very packed content in this course. Thank you so much.